It's another episode on Sugar Gold, sponsored by Goldminearoma. It's gonna be snacks. All those. Are you a sweet tooth? Yes. Let's go make some fruity snacks. So I have my different kinds of berries here. I have my watermelon here, and I have my gelatin. Just to sachet. It's okay. And I have my sweetener. It can be any of your sweetener, your monk sweetener, your stevia. This is one of my sweetener because I'm gonna eat from it, so I do sweet. So it could be your sugar. So and you can actually take it out of it and avoid it. For the fruity, then pour in your sweetener. So put it on fire to boil. So guys, putting back your stuff in here. So this is the fruity snacks, and guys, so guys, thank you very much for staying tuned. Come back next time we're going to I'll see you in another video. Like, share, subscribe, and push your notification button, so anytime we upload new videos, you will be notified. Thank you very much, guys. Have a lovely day. Have a lovely week.